Good morning, Casey. All right. How to solve by addition. Okay, first thing you look at is you check the numbers in front of your variables. Do you have any that match? Well, in this case, we do. We have 2's that match. The second thing you look at is the signs. Are they different? Because we need one positive, one negative. In this case, we have the y's where they both match with 2, so we're going to pick on the y. But the problem is they're both positive. We need one being negative. So that means I'm going to multiply through by -1 because I need to change the sign. So each piece is going to be multiplied by -1. So -1 by x gives me a -x. -1 times 2 gives me a -2y. -1 times -2 gives me a +2. Now, I am not multiplying the bottom one in this case. Now, if everything works out, when I add these two together, one of my variables disappears. Now, -1 plus 3 gives me 2x. Here, -2 plus 2 gives me 0. It's gone. Equals drops. 2 plus -12 gives me -10. It worked. I divide by 2. So x equals -5. Now, I have half of my answer. I now pick one of these and I plug this in to check. Doesn't matter which one. Why not check? I mean, to solve for y. The next step is checking, sorry. It is early. So I'm going to pick the top one. And I plug in my -5 for x. And I now proceed to solve for y. I add 5 to both sides. -2 plus 5 gives me a +3. Divide by 2. And this time, no, I am not getting a whole number. Y equals 3/2. Last step is I check. And I use the answer, I use the equation that I didn't use to solve. So I use this one to solve, so I use this one to check. So here comes the check. 3 times -5 plus 2 times 3/2 equals -12. Now, I clean this side up, and I should work it all the way down to where it says -12 equals -12. Well, let's check. 3 times -5 gives me -15. 2 times 3/2, well, the 2's are going to cancel, leaving me only the 3. And I carry the right. -15 plus 3 gives me -12. Do I get a true statement? Yes. So that is my answer. All right. I'm not going to do this one all the way through. This is the ones that we have no matching coefficients. So what do? We swap them. You pick whichever one you want, whether it be the x's or the y's. I'm going to pick the x's. And we swap the numbers. So the 5 comes up and the 4 goes down. That's swapping them. Multiply through. After that, it becomes just like the first problem. All right? Good luck. Let me know if you need anything else. Bye.